Today we're looking at subtraction with regrouping. You'll need a place value chart, some counters and a pencil and whiteboard. So I want to start off with subtracting 1,387 from 3,251. So you need to make 3,251 using the counters and the place value chart. And first of all, I'm going to take 7 ones away. But I only have one 1, so I know that I can take one 10 and regroup that for 10 ones. I need to record what I'm doing on my calculation here. So I have now got 4 10s in the tens column and 11 ones in the ones column. And I can take away 7 ones now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Next, I want to take 8 10s away from 4 10s. And I don't have enough 10s, so I can take 100 and regroup that for 10 10s. Again, I need to update what I've done. So I've taken one of these hundreds and I've got one left and I've regrouped it for 10 10s. So I now have 14 10s and I can take 8 away. 2, 4, 6, 8, which leaves me with 6 10s. Next, I want to take 3 hundreds away, but I only have 100. So I can take 1,000 and regroup that for 10 hundreds. And again, I need to update this. So I've taken one of the thousands, so I have 2 left, and I've regrouped that for 10 hundreds. So I now have 11 hundreds in the hundreds column, and I can take 3 away, which leaves me with 2, 4, 6, 8 hundreds. Finally, I want to take away 1,000 from 2,000, which leaves me with 1,000. So what I'd like you to do is, in a second, pause the video, make a note of this calculation that I'd like you to carry out. 4,000, take away 2,647. Pause the video and go through that using the place value chart and the counters and make a note of your workings in the whiteboard book. And we'll come back in a second and go through that together. So I make 4,000 on my place value mat. And I want to take away 2,647. So I want to take away 7 ones, but there are no ones to take it away from. There are no 10s to regroup, and there are no hundreds to regroup. So I need to go to the thousands column, and I know that that's worth 10 hundreds. So I regroup 1,000 for 10 hundreds. And I make a note of what I've done. My workings, I've taken away 1,000, so I have 3,000s left, and I've got 10 hundreds in the hundreds column. Next, I need to take one of the hundreds and regroup that for 10 10s. And again, I need to change my calculation, so I now have 9 hundreds in the hundreds column, and I've regrouped 100 for 10 10s. And then I'm going to take one of these 10s and regroup that for 10 ones. So I now have 9 10s in the tens column and 10 ones in the ones column. Now I can take away 7 ones. 2, 4, 6, 7. So 10 ones take away 7 ones, leaves me with 3 ones. Next, I want to take 4 10s away from 9 10s, which leaves me with 5 10s. I want to take away 6 hundreds from 9 hundreds, which leaves me with 3 hundreds. And finally, I want to take 2 thousands away from 3 thousands, which leaves me with 1,000. So I'd like you to pause the video in a second and make a note of these questions. I'd like you to work through them in the same way using the place value mat and the counters. If you're working with a partner, I'd like you then to check your answers against one another. And if anywhere you've gone along the line you've gone wrong, Try to go back, work through it together to see where you have gone wrong. If you need to, ask an adult to help. And if you get finished and you are working with a partner, perhaps you could make some calculations for them to work out and swap, or you could make some up for yourself just to get some more practice. And if you're having any trouble, just ask an adult and they'll help you.